guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So I have on my builder gel, and then I have on 2 coats of UNT peel off base coat for easy removal. So guys, the color that I will be using today is DD13 Cosmic Latte by IGel Beauty. So this is another Black History Month. It's the last one because tomorrow is, I believe, the last Sunday in February. So with this mani, I'm applying this neutral color. And Cosmic Latte, if you haven't seen me use Cosmic Latte before, it's one of my favorite neutral colors. It's a really light tan color. And of course guys, I'm using my Odorless dip liquids from Color My World Dips, which is a shop on Etsy. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So guys, I'm going in and applying activator to this is what hardens the nails. This is Color My World Dips regular activator. It is not low odor, it's just regular activator, which can be pretty strong if you're sensitive to smells like I am. So after I apply the activator, I wait about 5 minutes before I do my filing and buffing, which I normally do off camera. And after my filing and buffing, we're gonna go in with some foil. So guys, this is after my filing and buffing. I have some green nail art foil, some red nail art foil, and gold, which are colors that are indicative or representative of Black History Month. So I'm going in with foil adhesive. This is a glue. It does not require a UV LED lamp. It goes on white just like Elmer's glue, and then once it is dry, it dries clear and it becomes tacky. That allows you to apply your foil. Now I've seen another YouTuber do this, I want to say a year or so ago, and I was like, I want to try this. And they tried it with different colors for, I think, Mardi Gras or something. And I can't remember who did it. So if you're watching this video and you did it, just, you know, shout out to you. But anyway, I can't take credit for this, but I'm applying the full adhesive glue, and I have a little USB fan, and I put it in front of my fan and it dries clear. So I'm just taking the different colors of the foil and dabbing it on the nail. Now, one thing I did notice towards the free edge of my nail, where it extends past my nail tip, and towards the end of that nail, you can see the striations with the foil. So once I apply the foil, you can see the streaks in the foil glue that I applied to my nails. And you know, overall I thought it was pretty cute. It's abstract to me. And so I'm just doing that with the red and repeating with the gold as well until I get the desired look. Once I do that, I'm going to go in with Color My World wipe gel top coat, which is HEMA free. I'm going to apply 2 coats of that, and in between each coat, cure for a total of 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So guys, you know, this is easy. You can do this with any type of colors if this is the look you're going for. And I thought about going in with the stamp on top of that just to kind of give it a different vibe, but I decided not to do that. I was like, okay, now you're doing it too much, but y'all know I like to be extra. But anyway, so guys, here is the finished look. I hope you like it. You guys, also, whenever you finish doing your mani, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. So like this video, give it a thumbs up if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this kind of abstract nail look. And most importantly, subscribe, guys. It is free and I would really appreciate it. So I'm just applying my cuticle oil, rubbing it in. And lately I've started applying it under my nails. Actually, not on the, where the, I guess it's called the hyponychium, I think, of my nail, but also on the nail itself underneath, because since I keep builder gel on my nails, there's kind of no other way of getting it actually on my nail plate other than getting the nail that extends past the free edge of my fingers. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.